Hello, everyone, and welcome. Today, we're doing something completely different. We're not adding more grammar rules or vocabulary lists. We're going straight to the real problem that keeps millions of learners silent, and we're going to fix it forever. By the time this video ends, you'll know exactly how to turn your mouth into a fluent English machine. So please stay with me until the last second, because this might be the day everything changes for you. Let me ask you a few honest questions. How many English lessons have you finished? How many hours have you spent listening and reading? How many rules do you know by heart? And yet, when someone asks you a simple question in English, your mouth stops working. Your heart races. Your mind goes empty. It's not because you're not smart. It's not because your English is weak. It's because nobody ever taught you that speaking English is a physical skill. Your lips, tongue, jaw, throat, and breathing muscles have never been trained for English movements. That's the missing piece. English lives in your body, not just in your brain. Until those muscles learn the English rhythm, speed, and sound shapes, you will always feel blocked. But today, that changes. This is not another repeat after me video. This is not a phrase list. This is a complete training system to wake up your mouth, destroy your fear, and build real, lifelong speaking fluency, starting from today. You don't need perfect grammar, a perfect accent, or expensive classes. You only need 5 minutes a day, the right exercises, and the courage to sound bad at the beginning so you can sound amazing later. This is the video I needed years ago when I felt exactly like you. Let's start your transformation right now. Your mouth has no idea how English really moves. That's it. That's the whole problem. You've trained your eyes and ears for years, but you've never trained the muscles that actually produce English sounds. When you try to speak, your tongue gets confused, your lips feel heavy, your jaw gets stiff, and everything comes out slow, broken, or nervous. Think about learning to swim. You can watch 1,000 videos, memorize every swimming technique, and still drown the first time you jump in the water because your body has no muscle memory. Speaking English is exactly the same. Knowledge without physical training equals zero fluency. In your native language, you've repeated every sound millions of times since you were a baby. That's why it feels automatic and confident. In English, you've almost never practiced the TH sound, the soft T, the connected words, the rising and falling melody, the reduced forms, so your mouth panics. But here's the life-changing news. You can train these muscles exactly like you train your arms or legs in the gym, and it's easier and faster than you think. Your daily 5-minute speaking muscle routine, if you do this simple routine every day for the next 30 days, your mouth will feel completely different, lighter, faster, and ready to speak. This is your personal English gym. No equipment, no partner, no money needed. Mouth and face warm-up. Lip buzz, which is brrrr sound, 3 times 5 seconds. Tongue out and in slowly, 10 times. Big jaw open and close. Your face will feel warm and ready to talk. Mirror confidence drill. Stand in front of a mirror. Look yourself in the eyes. Choose one powerful sentence, like I control my English voice, or I'm becoming fluent every day. Say it 5 times slowly at first, then faster and stronger each time. Watch your mouth move. Own your voice. Shadowing, real fluency builder. Play any short English clip, movie line, podcast, song, 6 to 10 seconds. Listen once, then immediately repeat the exact same speed, melody, and energy. Do it 8 to 12 times per clip. Mistakes don't matter. Copying the movement is everything. This is the fastest way to make English rhythm feel natural. Speed and flow loop. Take one sentence, example, I'm improving my speaking every single day. Super slow and super clear, normal everyday speed, fast and connected like a native. Repeat the 3 speeds 3 times. This teaches your mouth to go from careful to automatic. Total, 5 minutes a day. Do it every morning or every night. In 30 days, you will hear and feel a new speaker in the mirror. Part 3. The magic of connected speech and sound flow. Even learners with perfect grammar sound robotic because they speak one word at a time. Native speakers never do that. They connect everything into flowing groups of sound. Here are everyday examples you can start using today. What are you doing? Turns to what you doing. Did you eat? Turns to jeet yet. I don't know. Turns to I dunno. Want to come? Turns to wanna come. Have to go. Turns to have to go. Let me see. Turns to lemme see. Going to. Turns to gonna. Daily flow practice. Extra 3 to 5 minutes. Pick 3 connected phrases. Say each one 15 times like a rhythm or song. Put each phrase into a full sentence and say the whole sentence smoothly. Record yourself and listen. You'll be shocked how natural you start to sound in just a few days. When you speak in flow, people stop hearing mistakes and start hearing confidence. Part 4. Train your mind and mouth together. Your mouth will never speak freely if your brain is full of fear, judgment, and translation. Here's how to fix the mental side at the same time. Always speak with real emotion. Feel the sentence. Don't just pronounce it. Practice like an actor. Take one line and say it happy, angry, surprised, shy, excited. Use your whole body. Stand, walk, move your hands. Movement kills overthinking. Record yourself daily and listen only for energy and flow, not for small mistakes. Create instant English reactions. Connect phrases directly to feelings and pictures, not to your native language. When your brain believes you're allowed to speak, your mouth finally relaxes and flows. Part 5. The smart repetition system that builds real fluency. Repeating like a robot equals zero progress. Repeating with layers equals rocket speed fluency. Take one strong sentence every day and go through these 5 stages, 5 minutes total. Ultra slow perfect clarity 3 to 4 times. Normal connected speed 6 to 8 times. 3 different emotions, 3 times each emotion. Maximum controlled speed 6 to 8 times. Use it in 3 real-life situations: job, friends, love, etc. Powerful sentences to repeat. I'm proud of the speaker I'm becoming. Every day my mouth gets stronger. It's okay to make mistakes. It's not okay to stay quiet. This is my English voice, and I love it. Part 6. The final truth. You already know more than enough English. The only thing separating you from fluent speaking is daily physical training. Millions of people understand everything, but stay silent forever because they only consume. They never train. Don't let that be you. You now have the complete system. 5-minute mouth gym, connected speech practice, smart layered repetition, mind and body training. Everything you need is already in your room, in your phone, in your voice. Make the decision right now. I will train my mouth and mind every single day. No more excuses. I refuse to stay silent anymore. I will train every day. My fluent English voice is coming. You start your first 5-minute session immediately after this video. In 30 days, you will look in the mirror and meet a completely new English speaker. The real you that was always waiting to come out. If this video gave you hope and a clear plan, subscribe, share it with someone who needs it, and write in the comments, I will train every day. Your fluency doesn't start when you feel ready. It starts the day you start training. See you in the practice. Let's end the silence together.